Everyone, welcome back to my channel Sona English Academy. My name is Sona and I am from UP. So once again I'm on the terrace making video as my son is sleeping in the room. That's why I don't want to disturb him and I have come here on the terrace to shoot a video. It is again 7 o'clock and I am making video and I loved it. Yesterday when I shot the video, I liked the way because while you walk, it is like you are walking and you are talking. It becomes like very enjoyable things because to sit and to just explain is good, but to walk and to explain becomes really enjoyable. So I'm enjoying this activity, so you should also try. So before diving into the main topic, I want to tell you that I have taken a challenge of 30 days where I'm improving my spoken, and I am really improving because on very first day I was not able to speak in such a way as I am speaking. So if you also want to be a learner, if you also want to become fluent, you should also join me in my journey, because here we both will learn together, will improve together, and you will feel happy watching me growing, right? Wait, I'm breathing very fast because I have just come here and start making video, so I'm breathing very fast. Let me take breath, a deep breath of peace. So what I'm going to tell you, I'm just going to tell you that what should you do to improve. What I what I used to do when I was the beginner, I used to describe, to tell everything which I used to do in the since morning to night. I'm not asking you to simply explain your daily routine. No, because daily routine becomes the same, becomes the same thing. But every day we do something different. 50% is the same routine and 50% is the different routine. So when you get sleep, when you are about to sleep, just try to memorize what I have done in the morning, what I started, what I did in the morning, what I did in the afternoon, and what I used to do different things. So memorize each and everything and start explaining this activity, guys. You can never imagine how wonderful this activity, because I always say this activity is wonderful, that activity is wonderful, because I just want to say that all these activities, when they come together, they create a good speaker. Shadowing practice, mirror practice, or explaining the things, describing movies, or watching YouTube videos and try to explain them. All these things are such a wonderful things if you will try all these things. I'm just telling you one by one because I'm uploading daily and telling one activity daily, because lots of it's useless to try lots of activities in a day, and what happens at the end of the day? Nothing. Everything becomes useless. So try to try only one activity a day, right? So when you are about to sleep, try to remember since the very beginning when you were on the bed and I was sleeping. When I woke up, I I put on my sleeper, right? Then I walk to the kitchen, or if you are not a woman, then I walk to the washroom, then I brush my teeth. Then in detail wise, like then after my mother gave me breakfast, or if you are a mother, I made breakfast. Suppose you are a girl or a boy whose mothers are doing these things. So my mother prepared the breakfast and we all have together had, because we are talking about the past, right? We all had breakfast together. Then after that I got ready for school or for the college. Then I leave for the college, and on the way, as I am not from a very rich or wealthy family, so I walk to the college. or on the way, my friend also joined me, and we both went together. Then what you did in the college, then after that we met with our friends, then we joined the lecture. Our teacher taught us in this way, and my favorite teacher is this, my favorite teacher is that. Then after that we both with whom you go to the college, we both came back to home. And when I came back to home, my mother prepared the lunch, and I took first I took a bath, then I got ready. Lunch was ready, my father also came, and we all had lunch together. Then while on the dining table, we were talking about the planning which I'm going to do in the future, which my sister was going to do, and my father was telling us lots of things, that was what to do and what not to do. So these are the things. After that, it was we took rest and a nap. Then after at 4 o'clock, we woke up, and my mother, this time it was not my mother who used to make tea, it was me who prepared the tea. Then we enjoyed the tea together. Then in this way, try to explain. And after when after taking tea, I made a plan to go for the shopping. Then we went to the shopping, and lots of things I purchased, because it was for a long time that I had not purchased anything. So lots of things were there to purchase, so lots of things are I purchased. Then what happened then, suddenly an old friend came across, and he asked me to have coffee in the restaurant. Then we had coffee together. Then he asked me that about my mother. Then how is auntie. And then what we did, I asked him to come to me to meet my mother. He also came to me to my home, and then he met my mother, and he became very happy, because it was a long time he had not met my mother. And after a long time, when he was about to go, my mother insisted him to have dinner with us. Then we all have dinner together and clicked photographs. Then after dinner, my mother went to her room, and I just enjoy with my friend, watching old photos. In these ways, because daily we do so many things in a different way, so many things differently. So try to memorize every day at night, and try to speak at least, if you can manage, then 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, 30 minutes. Try to explain your day. It would give you exposure to talk different sentences, different sentence structure, different tenses, like present, past, future. You will get exposure. So describing your day, not only simple routine, describing the things which are different from the routines. And I want to ask you to pressurize to describe the different things more than the same routine, because same routine, if you will explain the same routine, that will become robotic. So try to explain the things which are which are different. And guys, this try this, it's my humble request, try this. It helped me a lot, it gave me exposure to talk in a different way, to talk in a different sentences, and sentence formation got healthy. And I'm today, which I'm speaking, what I'm speaking, I'm not getting hesitant. I just want to be consistent, because for last 4 years I have not been consistent. That's why I sometimes I get hesitant, and this hesitation I want to remove. So I'm here to improve my spoken, and to improve your spoken, because what I'm doing, you can see the level that I'm speaking, and I don't struggle to speak what to say next. I'm just breathing very fast, because this is there are 3 stairs. It is 3rd floor. and my room is on the ground floor. I have come passing the 3 floors, 3 stairs, right? And here I'm walking, that's why I'm breathing very fast. So keep it up and describe your day and enjoy your day, and also like, share and subscribe, because it inspires me to make more videos as I want to make daily. I am thinking that I should upload 2 videos a day, and I will try, and I am try, but just because of my son is 4 years old, he takes a lot of time of mine, and I don't mind it because he doesn't have father here. uh, that's why. And I woke up at 5 o'clock to come upstairs and to shoot the video, but when I got ready to come here, to come on the terrace, he just woke up, and it took 2 hours to make him sleep. That's why you can imagine that it becomes quite impossible. And now I was just thinking that I won't be able to go to go upstairs and will shoot the video. That's why. But I'm managing. I'm trying to make 2 videos a day, and I will definitely. Yesterday I uploaded 2 videos. To today also I'm just going to upload 2 videos, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.